Spotify Premium, how to get subscription on Spotify. Now you can definitely get a subscription on Spotify using the Spotify app on Android, but if you're on iPhone you cannot do so using the Spotify app. So a better way for both is that I would recommend that either you're using iPhone or Android, you simply open your browser instead and go to spotify.com from there. So once you go to spotify.com from your browser, you also want to make sure to log into the respective account where you want to get the subscription. Then after that, tap on this Get Premium pop-up. If you don't see it also, no worries, you can tap the gear icon there you can see the premium option right there, and when you tap on the premium option there, you can simply tap on the Get Premium Individual or whatever else it is right there, and then from there on you should be able to go ahead and then basically make sure to enter your payment method. This way you should be able to go ahead and then get subscription on Spotify. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.